as in tarehe 26 kitwan barwen bakotini koibwan ore Dr. Obiero Beni kole angumane kotini abiche Susan kole amatina barwana wait barwana ale wala ibwan kole lazima barwana kole jani kole ani pesa lakini yani kwa hiyo jota ngala au jota ngala kule lazima yana mungu amachi sio na barwana kule wana manjile na barwana na ngina mbele amusubu barwana amustai barwana na kosi konyo Susan koke za barwana na wali jani chini chini loya ni kike loya barwana kutuki za kuma mageo na mon family ko family mo kitawa tsena la amon matitena tiswama kuma chama mon kianga tulo entu yoze ko moguri ko tiswa Susan ko moguransi so ko berane lazima kuningale yanane amagengala abama mwana amende tamwane ko wa muguna kana ko gwa barwa tikiwa ngona atini ngize da barwa ta koti abatini ngize da sasa so amma mo bitale pole sasa namu ko wicha time en awasu mana ko go cha time ni ana ko cha time so aka so ni misi rama ngala na family agezam ngana ta ko kya le family amache kuwe family kunyo yonga tenta tachu ane kila siku kwa kama tia ticho asu tia jo mai sema kama kiasi kwa ngone abangone so family me cha bore ama ke tia na pika bore to so mo tu changu mi gora pika Susan tuko kwa ipi ai nge mo tia ta Susan no ba to ise ti Susan 2013 ko tu kinge tom ko gila ki ko ke ba isa ko Susan kulewan ko imane sana ngom to ngom imane sana ngom ko gigile ko ngi pote sangile ko tele litum agi gel to me du ke chang agi tere tom ko ken kia ke tu so mo le anga le mi tie ten Susan o mo gile ne mo to situ asa sa sira kita ke tu ko ba ite ni kia ba Susan na mo cha mi ba ga lingo mo gamba so tie tu ju ko me cha mo ko ta mo gamba che ba se Susan so mo mo jo twamba ko mi ama saja pole sana lakini ki stai tu je ko tong ge ter boto sa family ge tu ga sana ko isi wa tini mi la tu so me sana o ange tu api je sai se tu ko go se go le as de la signora si ja wa tu gala ko ba isi tini sana ni ko ba isi tini ba ni pa so ge sera sana abi li se ni ta so go se go le ango mo me te mi la ko ni no mi US US nedi ko yimo tusa mo ga no US ko le jini ri county ko tata se wonte county mi ta mun ike na baba nedi ngi skote ni nedi ile ngale ake ngi gondo yetu la sama dile asko ikitale tele akona gole kiki ko ta sana wase je jawe ko matkosa se mi singa mon ko tairi ko so wonya ta mo ngi ngi wan iburton ama change ngana tu mai ngana le ama ko telele bara serikali amu ko cita serikali sasa tu ga sasa ko mo itu se o tu ga sasa ko sera kita ya tu ko ngam ko ya mun ama chagi kala ya no kita tu len US iche ngapolo so ko ana che kon mama cha ai mi apolo se ko zunga le gamiti mama gele wasara neti ana go meta sukul because of sulta ko mi ina ngala chita ngamu chana
Patrick, can you give a photo, please? Come later. Thank you so much. Thank you family. Na naamini kwamba baadaye mtazungumza mambo yenu ya familia. So dada wetu naamini kwamba mtazungumza mambo hayo. Kwa niaba ya nephews na nieces, there is one person to give tribute. That is Faith and Faith can come and read the tribute to. Okay.
God is good, and all the time. I'm here standing in front of you on behalf of all the nieces and all the nephews, and I'd like to request all of them to come and join me Because what I know is we really, really loved Auntie Susan. She was our aunt, but more of our mother, our mentor, our everything. So each and every one of us has a story about Auntie Susan, how she has changed our lives, how she has impacted our lives. So I would like all of our cousins to kindly come and stand with us as we celebrate this great woman. We're normally more than this, but because of time, I will read. Tributes from nieces and nephews. Life is too short. It's not enough, but we must understand that if we live in it, we live it in love and faith, our road will be made. For the day we pass away, we can take it and wait at the end. For those who once and always loved you, you will meet. Your beautiful eyes, so big and round, showed love, showed laughter, showed happiness, showed sadness. But we will remember you as the happy, beautiful woman and aunt you are. We love you, we miss you. At this time you're standing at those big golden gates. Up in the heavens, your new life awaits. I know you're looking down on us, wanting us to be strong and do good. And we know you have been all alone. And we all miss you, and that's definitely true. When we think of all times we had with you, for now you've gone up high in the sky, because this is your time to say goodbye. Dedicated to our lovely, lovely aunt, Auntie Susan. We will surely miss her. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. On behalf of the siblings, let me call upon one of the sisters to come and give the tribute. Right, Gladys.
Condolences from my mom to the immediate family of Susan. We want to say we are very sorry. We lost a loss, but she was a big figure and she affected all our lives in